Oh, Father, hear our humble plea, as children seek their Father's grace. With open hearts we come to Thee, to find in You a resting place. We lift our prayers, our voices raise, to seek Your love, Your holy ways. Our Father, source of light and breath, You feed our lives and conquer death. Forgive, renew, and still our fear. Your kingdom come, Your peace draw near.